In this part, I want to show you how you can create a curtain easily in Revit. For this, I select masking and site, then in place mask, set a name and OK. I directly go to one of the elevations and through plane start to draw 3 different ref planes so that I could put my drawings on them. I click each of them and set a special name. 1, 2, and 3. Then I go to the site level. I just use spline through points to draw, but before it we should adjust the plane which we want to work with. Select plane 1 and now I start drawing a curve like this. I count my points. We have 8 points here. I just escape once and change plane 1 to plane 2 and again draw a different curve with 8 points. Then again change plane 2 to 3 and this is our last curve to draw. Okay, when it's finished, go to 3D view, select all of them and just hit create form and there we are. We have a nice curtain in Revit.
I'm Sadaf family. If you enjoy practical Revit tutorials like me, you can order the packages on my Instagram art_SDF, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know on your helpful comments.